Have you ever wondered how people are making thousands of dollars a month from simple mobile apps they built without writing a single line of code? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use just one AI tool to build a complete mobile app that's generating serious revenue. And I did it all without any programming experience whatsoever. Most people think that you need years of coding knowledge or a huge budget to create profitable apps, but that's completely wrong. The truth is, AI has completely changed the game, and there's a proven system that anyone can follow to build and monetize apps in just days, not months. In this screenshot, you can see proof of exactly how much revenue the original app from the App Store that we're going to copy is generating. We're talking real money from real users who are paying for premium features. I'm going to walk you through the exact AI tool I used, how I copied a successful app's entire feature set, connected it to Stripe for payments, and set up the whole system so it can start generating income immediately. By the way, I'm Celine, and I've been experimenting with no-code AI tools for building profitable digital products. And what I discovered with this particular AI coding tool, which is honestly the best one available right now, completely blew my mind. The AI literally built the entire app for me while I just guided it through the process. So if you ever wanted to create your own income stream through app development, but thought it was too technical or too expensive, this video will show you it's actually simpler than you think. I'll reveal the exact AI tool, the step-by-step process, and how you can start building your own profitable apps today. So let's dive in. The AI tool that we're going to use is Replit, and with my code Celine, you'll get a 10% discount and full access to the Replit agent. I added the link in the description down below. So quick disclaimer before we begin. Making apps and earning money online takes real work. It's not as effortless as some YouTubers may make it sound. But when I walk you through building an app, I'm just showing you the process and possibilities, not guaranteeing that you'll get the same results. The AI tools I use are real, and the methods can work, but your outcome will depend on your effort, timing, and, let's be honest, a little bit of luck. Many apps don't earn money right away, and some never do. So I'm not saying you'll become rich or need to quit your job. This isn't a financial advice or shortcut to instant wealth. I'm here to show you what's achievable, and what you do with that is entirely your call. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, let's get back to building the app. So astrology apps are everywhere, but most of them feel the same. Basic horoscopes, generic advice, and not too much personality. So this time we're building something deeper, something that blends personal insight with social connection, all wrapped up in a design that actually feels cosmic. So to get that started, I'll be dropping this prompt into Replit. Create an astrology-based app that generates birth charts, offers daily horoscopes, and matches users based on astrological compatibility. Users can view profiles, explore soulmate predictions, and connect through fun social features. Replit responds with a full game plan for what it's about to build. And after reviewing it, let's give the green light. The app is named Cosmic Soul, and the development begins immediately. So after everything is sorted, Replit finalizes the app's structure and rolls out the first round of core features. Cosmic Soul now has a sleek, fully designed homepage with daily horoscopes front and center, along with a zodiac selector for quick access. A full birth chart generator is integrated, featuring an interactive zodiac wheel that reveals personalized insights based on their user birth data. The Discover section makes astrology more social, letting users explore compatibility with others using element-based filters. There's also a built-in real-time messaging system for instant connection, and each user profile showcases personal preferences and cosmic traits. The entire app is wrapped in a gorgeous cosmic theme, deep purple gradients, golden accents, and a star-dusted background, giving it a mystical, high-end look right from the start. Now, basic horoscopes are fun at the start, but the real magic of astrology comes from the personal stuff, your chart, your signs, and what they say about you. So, the next step is all about giving users a deeper, customized experience. So I'm going to use this prompt to build that out. Allow users to enter their birth date, time, and location to generate a personalized astrological profile. Display sun, moon, and rising signs with brief personality insights based on their placements. The profile page component gets a full overhaul. It now features a clean input form where users can enter their birth date, time, and location, along with support for over 25 global time zones. After submitting, the app determines their big 3 placements, or the sun, moon, and rising signs, with precision. Each one is presented with a distinct colored icon, followed by detailed, meaningful descriptions that break down what each sign says about who they are. Everything works together to create a personal snapshot that feels more like a cosmic blueprint than a generic reading. With accurate charts and thoughtful insights, the app now delivers something far more engaging. Something that actually resonates. And again, like what I said a while ago, horoscopes are everywhere, but most of them read like they were copy-pasted from a newspaper back in the 90s. We want something better, more personal, dynamic, and actually relevant to the user. This next feature focuses on daily guidance tailored not just to them, but also to a fictional soulmate. So I'm dropping in this prompt. Add a new feature. Show daily horoscopes tailored to the user and a fictional soulmate. Offer guidance or warnings about moods, energy, or decision-making based on their chart. And with everything wired up, the app now delivers daily horoscopes that feel like they're written just for you. Each card includes guidance based on your core signs, compatibility notes tied to a fictional soulmate, and tips for handling your energy, moods, and decisions throughout the day. There are even suggested lucky colors and mood alerts to help guide how users approach their day. All of it is presented in sleek cosmic-themed cards, which make each insight not just useful, but visually satisfying too. So right now, the app's starting to feel more personal. But without user accounts, nothing will stick. Saved charts, preferences, matches, all of it needs to be tied into an identity. So now it's time to build the login and sign-up system. Here's the prompt that I'm going to use to get that in place. Add a simple login and sign-up page using email or password. Ensure user data or birth info, preferences, saved matches is linked to their account and stored accurately. The app now includes a signature email or password login system with full account support. Astrology features like horoscopes, charts, and messaging are locked behind protected routes, so only signed-in users can access them. The navigation updates dynamically to show the user's avatar when logged in, along with a quick logout option. Every bit of personal data, from birth details to saved matches, is now tied to the account securely, making the experience fully consistent, private, and tailored. As the foundation of the user accounts and saved data takes shape, connection becomes the next key experience to unlock. Matching by astrology shouldn't just be random. It should feel intentional, intuitive, and maybe a little bit magical. Instead of relying on one generic swipe system, we're giving users multiple ways to explore potential connections. And to make that happen, I'm dropping this into the prompt. Enable users to connect through 3 simple filters: swiping or browsing profiles manually, filtering by astrological sign, and searching by birth details. The new profile discovery system now lets users explore potential matches through multiple paths. They can swipe through profiles manually, filter by sun, moon, or rising sign, or search using birth details, like date and time, with fuzzy matching built in, which is up to 1 year for birth dates and 2 hours for time windows. Once a match is found, messaging kicks off instantly, making it easy to connect. All of this lives inside a clean tab-based interface that updates in real time. And with smarter filters and more interactive layouts, discovering soulmate-level connections through astrology just got a whole lot easier. And now that users can browse profiles and filter potential matches, it's time to go deeper than just surface-level compatibility. Matching by signs is fun, but real connection comes from chart-to-chart dynamics, or how two people's placements actually interact. This next feature introduces true synastry, using birth charts to uncover emotional patterns, strengths, and challenges between users. Here's the prompt I'm using to build this. Build a matching algorithm using astrological synastry. Allow users to rate matches 1 to 5 stars based on compatibility. Show basic reports on strengths or challenges between charts. Now the app includes a complete synastry engine that compares users across 144 sign combinations. It breaks down relationship dynamics into emotional depth, communication style, values, and overall chemistry. Compatibility results are split into 4 tabs: Overview, Strengths, Challenges, and Detailed Analysis, with visual progress bars and color-coded scoring to highlight key areas. Every profile now features a tabbed layout that makes it easy to toggle between basic match summaries and full analysis views. On top of that, users can rate their connections using an interactive 1 to 5 star system, adding a social layer to the astrology-driven insights. So given that synastry is already in place, connection starts to mean more than just matching with strangers. It's about deepening bonds with people users already know. That's why I want to bring in something more social, which is letting users add friends, compare charts, and share insights directly. Let's get that working by using this prompt. Enable manual friend adding. Let users see how compatible they are with friends and share astrological profiles or insights with them. The social layer clicks into place with a fully built-out friendship system. Users can look up others by name, send out friend requests, accept incoming ones, and manage their whole network from a dedicated friends page. That section is neatly organized into 4 tabs: Friends, Find Friends, Requests, and Sent Requests. So it's easy to stay on top of every interaction. A new user's icon in the navigation bar gives quick access to the whole system. And here's where it gets interesting. Once connected, users can instantly check out their astrological compatibility with friends, turning each profile into a shared cosmic snapshot. It's a subtle but powerful way to make those connections more personal. After building compatibility tools and friendship features, there's one final layer that ties it all together, which is the idea of a destined connection. This one dives into full soulmate discovery, blending astrology with storytelling to create something that feels both mystical and deeply personal. And to unlock it, I'm using this prompt. Use chart analysis to generate a soulmate profile, personality traits, timing clues, and potential places or life situations where the user may meet their soulmate. Display this with visual storytelling, for example, illustrated cards, poetic text, timelines, etc. The finished soulmate profile page reads almost like a cosmic fairy tale, but one grounded in your actual chart. It pulls from your sun, moon, and rising signs to craft a detailed portrait of your ideal partner, with their personality, their energy, and how they might show up in your life. And it doesn't stop there. Users also get poetic predictions about when they're likely to meet, where that meeting might take place, and what life situations could align with that connection. Lunar events and major milestones are also woven into the narrative, all presented as a kind of guided journey. Visually, it's one of the most stunning parts of the app. Floating stars, glowing overlays, spinning icons, and soft cosmic gradients in purple, pink, and gold just pull everything together. Illustrated cards and animated timelines make the experience feel interactive, while personalized quotes and destiny-driven text bring out the emotional side. Every soulmate profile ends up feeling like a glimpse into something bigger. Part story, part astrology. After guiding users through soulmate predictions and emotional connections, we're going to unlock the next level. We're talking about deep compatibility reports that go far beyond surface traits. We're going to design this as a premium-only feature, offering full astrological breakdowns rooted in synastry. And to build it in, I'm going to use this prompt. Create a premium-only feature that offers full compatibility reports between users. These reports should include detailed synastry analysis, highlighting romantic strengths and challenges based on planetary alignments. provide personalized advice and deeper interpretations of aspects like Venus, Mars, and house overlays. This should be in a separate section. Clearly label this as a premium feature. This should only be unlocked when the user has been upgraded to premium. And right off the bat, premium users now gain access to a fully unlocked compatibility breakdown. Premium access is clearly marked throughout the app. On profile pages, premium-only compatibility buttons appear with subtle visual cues. Users can upgrade instantly and get a 30-day access to the full set of insights. Everything is securely gated behind authentication, keeping the premium experience exclusive, elevated, and worth the upgrade. All right, so premium features are built, gated, and ready. But without a proper upgrade flow, they're just sitting behind glass. It's time to turn those features into a working subscription model with real payment logic, access control, and instant unlocks. And this is what I'm sending into Replit to kick things off. Add Stripe checkout to the app so users can upgrade to premium for $7 a month and $80 per year. When a user clicks the upgrade to premium, show a confirmation message and unlock the premium features: advanced synastry, house overlays, and premium reports. Save the user's premium status to their account and show a small premium badge next to their profile. So to proceed, we're going to pull the API keys directly from the Stripe dashboard. The Vite_Stripe_public_key is a publishable one, safe for client-side use, while the Stripe_secret_key stays server-side and secure. And after logging in and grabbing both keys, we'll paste them into the Replit agent. And from there, Replit sets up the full subscription infrastructure, monthly and yearly pricing, Stripe checkout, and all the backend logic to handle upgrades and unlock premium status. Now it's time to test it out. On the homepage, we'll click the Get Yearly $80 button under the Premium Feature Overview. Stripe immediately redirects us to a clean, secure payment form. After entering the card details, the app returns us to a success page, and everything premium is now unlocked. Users now get full access to the Premium Astrology Suite, which includes advanced synastry reports, Venus and Mars relationship insights, house overlay interpretations, and personalized compatibility reports that go far beyond the basics. All of this is tied securely to their account, marked with a small premium badge, and available instantly after checkout. So that's the full build, from raw prompt to polished product. We didn't just make another astrology app. We recreated a proven, monetized system. Remember how all this started? You've probably seen those apps pulling thousands a month and thought, there's no way I could build that. But now you've seen the truth. With the right prompt and the right tool, you can. No coding experience, no tech background, no massive budget. Just you, an idea, and a few hours with Replit AI Agent. So take this process, copy it, and start building your own income-generating app. I've already dropped the link below, and if you use the code Celine, you'll get 10% off full access to Replit Agent. That's everything you need to replicate this build or create something completely new. If this walkthrough helped, hit subscribe, drop a like, and let me know what you're building next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.